Welcome to class. In today's class, I'm going to be showing us 4 tricks we can apply on 9 times table. 4 major tricks we can apply on 9 times table. I came across this and I said, I have to share this with my audience. Now, before I start showing all the tricks, I need to let you know that tricks are part of mathematics. Tricks are part of mathematics. They help us in solving our question very fast within the stipulated time given without wasting more time. Do not forget, mathematics is known for speed and what? Accuracy. Again, mathematics is known for what? Speed and accuracy. Now to the business of the day. Now, I have 4 tricks I'm going to be showing us today. And the first trick, now look at the numbers, the answers, the products of 9. The product of 9 from 9 times 1 to 9 times 10 have been solved already on the board. Now, but please take a look at the digits. The first digit, okay? Now, 9 times 1, please, for this, do not get confused. 9 times 1 is 9. So, 0, 9, and 9 are also the same thing. This 0 there is not significant. That is not important. Okay. And now take a look at the first trick. What I'm going to be showing the first trick is the arrangement of the digits for the first digit and the second digits from the top downward, okay, and from the bottom upward. Okay. Now for the first one, take a look at the first digits of the product from the top here down to the last number. Now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These digits are arranged sequentially. They are arranged consecutively, okay, from 0 to 9. Now let's do the same thing going from the bottom upward. The same thing again. Amazing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And amazingly, these digits form a product for 9 times, from 9 times 1 to 9 times 10. Next time when you want to calculate 9 times, okay, all you have to do is just write 0 to 9, okay, from the top to the bottom, and do the same thing from the bottom to the top, 0 to 9 as well. And you are done getting your 9 times. So let's move to the second trick. And the second trick is this. Look at it. If I add the 2 digits that form the product of each, okay, I'm going to get 9. All true, as you can see. Now let's take a look at it. 0 plus 9, because 9 times 1 is 9, or 0, 9. 0 plus 9 gives us 9. 9 times 2 is 18, right? So if I add 1 and 8 together, I will get 9. The same goes for 9 times 3, 27. If I add 2 and 7, I will get 9. So you can do the same thing for all of this, and you realize that the 2 digits that form the product for each will give you what? 9. Isn't that amazing? Yes, it is. That's not all. Now the third one is this. The third trick, I'm going to be writing it there for you to understand what I'm going to do. Alright, so just follow me as I take you through this process. Now for the first one, I'll be getting the product, one at the top and one at the bottom in that pattern. I will do the one at the top first, then I'll go down, I'll pick another one, then I go to the top again. I do the same thing until I'm done getting the product of all my numbers. Now if 9 times 1, we said is 0, 9, right? Please just take a look at what I'm doing right now. Okay, then I'll come to the bottom. I'm going to come to the bottom here. 9 times 10. All I have to do is, if I want to get 9 times 10, I will reverse the digits of 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is 0, 9. So when I reverse the digit, it becomes 9 and 0. 9 and 0. And that automatically gives me the same answer I got here. So let's take another one again. I hope you're following me, right? Good. 9 times 2 is 18. I'm going to write 1 and 8 here. Then I'll go down to 9 times 9. All I have to do, like I said, I will reverse the digits, the digits of 9 times 2. I'll reverse the digits. So if I reverse 1 and 8, what will it give me? 8, 1. And that is 81. Wow. I know you're blown away, right? Yes. Okay, let's do another one again. 9 times 3 is 27. So I will write 2 and 7. And if I come down here, okay, to get the product of 9 and 8, all I have to do is to reverse these digits, 2 and 7, to become 7 and 2. Wow. Okay. Now let's do another one again. I know you can actually do the other ones yourself, right? Good. So let's go ahead. 9 times 4 is 36. And if I come down here to get a product of 9 and 7, all I have to do is to reverse the digits. Instead of 3, 6, I'll reverse it to be what? 6, 3. And that is 6, 3. And the last set, the last pair of products will now be 9 times 5 is 45. 4 and 5. 4 and 5. So if I'm to get the product of 9 and 6, all I have to do is what? Reverse these digits 4 and 5 to become what? 5 and 4. That's amazing, right? Yes. I'm sure you are learning something in this, right? Good. So you can apply this on your 9 times table, and it will help you get your answer without wasting much time. And to the fourth and final trick, please just pay attention. Please just pay attention to the final trick I'm going to be sharing with us on 9 times table. I'm going to pick a number to be multiplied by 9. So let me pick 9 times 4. 9 times 4. So I want to get a product of 9 and 4. Alright, so what am I going to do? Now take a look at the multiplier here. 4 is the multiplier. 4 is the multiplier here, right? Good. So the number before 4 is what? What is the number before 4? If I count one backward, what do I have? 3. Good. So 3 will form one of the digits for my answer. Good. Alright, so when I'm done doing that, the 3 I've written here, I'm going to subtract it from 9. I will subtract 3 from 9. 9 minus 3 will give me what? 6. And that is 36. Amazing, right? Yes, it is. I know you're blown away, right? Yes, I know. So let's take one more example. Let's say 9 times 7. 9 times 7. So let's assume you do not know the answer. You don't know the product of 9 and 7. That is, you don't know 9 times 7. Now, you're going to take 7 backward by 1. That is, what number comes before 7? What number comes before 7? And that is what? 6. After 6, we have what? 7. So I'll write 6 here. That means 6 will form one of the digits for my final answer. So just like we did here, I will take away the 6 I've written here from 9. And what do I have? 3. 9 minus 6 will give me what? 3. And that is 9 times 7. You can check it here. 9 times 7 is what? 63. Should I do one more? Yes, I will do just one more. Just one more before we go. Now let me pick 9 times, let's say, let me pick 9. I'm going to pick 9 times 9. So the number before 9 is what? Obviously, I'm going to pick 9 times 9. The number before 9 is what? 8. Alright, so I'm going to write 8 here. Now, what's the next thing I'm going to do? I know you actually know what to do next, right? Which is take away 8 from 9. You're going to take away 8 from 9. And that is 9 minus 8 to give you 1. And obviously, 9 times 9 is 81. Yeah! And these are the 4 major tricks that I'm trying to share with us in today's class. Please, don't let it end here. I want you to try other ones yourself. I'm sure you've learned something, right? Yes, I know you're blown away already. I know, yes. That's one thing about tricks. Tricks make you blown away. Oh, wow, really? So this can work. I want you to try out more numbers to be multiplied by 9 using the 4th trick and confirm the answer. And that'll be all for today's class. I would love to see my next class. I'm super sure you've learned something great in today's class. And I want you to keep that information to yourself. Share this video with your friends, everyone around you. Let them be a partaker of this. Don't keep this information to yourself. Spread the news. Spread the message to everybody, to all your loved ones. And that'll be all for today's class. And I can't wait to see you in my next class. And until then, bye.